So my name is Ray, and the first year I started is actually 2016. So what attracted me to joining Allen Edwin Homes is my mom has actually always been in new construction and real estate in general, and kind of just always grew up around it and was interested from the start. My experience before joining Allen Edwin was fresh out of college. I had just graduated and had got my real estate license and got the job from there. What separates Allen Edwin from other builders is their ability to adapt and change. So not letting the market kind of dictate what happens to them. They are adaptive and always looking forward on what they can do to adapt to what's going on around them. The reason I love new construction is it allows me to have the confidence to knowing that the homes that I'm putting families in are good, well-built homes that they're going to love and enjoy and be safe for them. So what surprised me with the new home sales at Allen Edwin is, although they're such a large company, they really operate like a nice small company. They are very transparent, inclusive, and family-oriented. And it's a good feeling working for a builder like that. Training at Allen Edwin Homes is very good. They do a good job of making sure that once you're onboarded, once you get the job, they put you in a training program to make sure that you're not just left out there thrown to the wolves. They have a very systematic and process-oriented way of making sure that you go through A to Z to learn as much as you can before you get into the field. The support we get here at Allen Edwin is good. I mean, anything that you need, whether it's personal or work-related, Allen Edwin does a really good job of making sure that you feel supported and that you're comfortable in every different way they have. So the most challenging part at Allen Edwin, I would say, is expectations. Now this is two-parted. So setting expectations is a very big part of our job, and so it can be challenging because there's a lot to it, but if you do it correctly, it really saves you a lot of time in this job. So setting expectations is very important. The compensation, I feel very well compensated. Comparing it to other places, I have friends in the industry and I would say that I'm very well compensated. The culture at Allen Edwin is good. Like I said earlier, it's very family oriented. The support's good. They're very transparent, which really helps just overall makes you feel like you're not missing anything. You can kind of see the bigger picture. Doesn't make you feel like they're hiding things from you. So the culture is good. They do a good job of making you feel included and yeah, just a part of the family. So what makes Allen Edwin unique as a company, I would say, is one, their adaptability, but two is the strategy. So making sure that we know what they're supplying to the marketplace, whether it's affordable homes, homes in certain price points in different areas, just making sure that the needs that they're filling are needs that are out there for families that are looking for homes. The reason someone would want to pursue a career in new home sales with Allen Edwin, one, their structure is very good, very process oriented. The ability to make good money is always a good part of it, and just their consistency. They're very consistent in what they do, and that helps give me the confidence to feel good about when I'm talking with families about what we do and what we're going to be giving to them as a final product. What keeps me at Allen Edwin Homes is really just a combination of everything I said. Their structure is really good, they're very process oriented, they're very true to themselves, they're transparent, money is always a good part of it, it's why we work, and just everything as a whole. They do a really good job of, again, being transparent and making you feel right at home.